do this because I haven't done it in so long. Lily, do you care to help me? I'm making some pasta. And I'm mixing. I'm just gonna finish off the rest of this bag. And then start this one. What else are we gonna do, Lily? Just a girls' night? I've been getting this, oh, it doesn't stick here. I've been getting this urge recently to get back into vlogging just because I remember how it felt to record when I was 15, 16. And also I remember how nice it felt to like look back on those memories. So many years have passed since then and I'm in a completely different era of life. And I'm just wanting to have some memories recorded, I think. I feel like I'm on the brink of something really great for myself in terms of like my career and my relationships and my life. It's just in the past year and a half, I would say, it's just been so nicely curated by me for me, and I'm just really trying to build like something that I love and am proud of. Another motivation is just that I want to be able to look back on this time as it's happening, especially because I do want kids. I think like I would have loved to see what my mom's day-to-day life was like at my age. The format for my vlogs is just going to be like very organic, very just a lot of me just talking to myself, a lot of Sergio and I and our adventures. I don't know, that's what I love to watch on YouTube. I love to just watch people in their day-to-day lives, so that's why I'm thinking that's what I want to do. One sec, I gotta add my pasta to my boiling water. The other thing too is that I'm gonna have to get reacquainted to being in front of a camera and talking to a camera because it's never not gonna be awkward. How do I fill you in? This is so tough. I would say that many things have happened since you've seen me last, but that would be an understatement. Also, not many people even subscribed when I first did YouTube because I was just like in high school and in sports and trying to apply for colleges and stuff like that. And I just feel like I always dropped the ball. Like I would upload frequently and I would get into a routine and then I would just have to stop for some reason. So my channel never grew that much, but I remember like if I had one video just hit 2,000 views, I mean 2,000 people that's a lot. And if I saw 2,000 people in a room, I would be like, wow, I can't believe all these people saw my video. But for YouTube standards, you know, like when something pops off, it's in the millions. So I knew that it wasn't that much and that my life like wasn't changing. Like when I got 2,000 views, I wasn't like, I've made it. But it was always really special to me because it was growth nonetheless. And like to reach an audience and stuff, you have to start somewhere. I only remember having like maybe 2 people I would notice commenting and liking on all of my videos. So if you're my 2 fans watching me, just kidding, I wouldn't even call you fans. You probably just like stumbled upon my page and thought that there was something endearing about me, but hello, I'm back. Since my 2 people who subscribed to me before I left YouTube saw me last, a lot has happened. I graduated college, got my degree in design studies, which I applied to like interior design and cabinetry design services. And I worked for a company first, and then I decided like I just want to do my own thing. So I'm in the process of starting my own company, and it's a lot of work. It's stressful, but not for 1 minute did I think I was in over my head or like, well, maybe I did think I was in over my head in the very beginning, but never once did I feel like I regret the decision to leave my job because I didn't want to be a designer working under certain guidelines of others or higher ups. I really wanted to be just like a free agent and really create my own visions and be in charge of my own direction. A year and a half ago, I moved to Southern California from Northern California. And what brought me here, because I always said like, oh, LA is not for me. I don't really see that there's anything out there for me to do. But I found a man and we're just doing our stuff, building our businesses and trying to travel, planning for the next chapter in our relationship. and I don't know when it's gonna happen, but I think not too far from now. I don't want to be presumptuous or anything, but you know, when you know, you know. Tomorrow's Sunday, and I'll probably get some clips of what our usual day looks like. Although it might look a little different because tomorrow we're hiking with friends, but our usual weekend goes as follows. We wake up, we make our bed, we get ready for the gym, but then we go on a 3-mile walk. A mile and a half away, there's this little shopping center, and we walk there, we grab a coffee, and then we walk a mile and a half back, and then we go to the gym. And then we maybe go grocery shopping if we need to, and I read my book. Yeah. The rest of the day is just filled with cooking. We love to cook. Does anyone else's cat just like scream and meow and yell all day long, but then you try to force them to cuddle you and they're like not having it? The thing is, she couldn't be friendlier. She would never, I mean, to me, she's not very friendly to strangers. She couldn't be friendlier to me, but like she's one of those cats that's like, I will love you from afar, and she just like looks at me so lovingly. But if I try to contain her, she's like, oh my god, woman, I'm claustrophobic. But when she wants me, she's like crawling on my face, rolling around on my chest, like suffocating me in my sleep. But that's love for you. I wanted to make this first video short and sweet, a little synopsis of what I've been up to. Hopefully from now we can move forward and you can follow along. So yeah.